Hi, this is Muhammad Hafiz Adeel, Product Manager Spark at Reon Energy. Spark is an intelligent energy management platform that provides visibility, control, and optimizes your energy assets to achieve 100% network availability. Spark has continuously evolved to meet growing energy market needs by expanding its capabilities across three key suites of products: Insights, Reon Operation Excellence, Network Management and Control. Insights employs digital twin technology, leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide insightful recommendations with self-healing capabilities to enhance site performance and energy utilization. ROX streamline the tracking of comprehensive financial and operational KPIs, provides portfolio-level valuable insights, identifies key focus areas to support informed CapEx and OpEx decisions. With Spark NOx Suites, our customers receive real-time alerts and notifications about power outages, malfunctions, and any unusual activity occurring at remote sites. Customers highly value the predictive insights and recommendations offered by Spark. It helps them identify most expensive sites and provides tailored remedies and adjustments to reduce operational costs.